How's it going, Jason? Good, good. Ready for a busy day? Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm Dante. How are you?
Good to see you. So over the weekend, I got about like 4,000 orders. So obviously pretty busy. So coming into today, we'll have normal flow. We have customer service managers coming in the morning, getting everything rolling with labels because it's a pretty much a crazy mess getting that all together in the morning. Then from there, we'll have our printers come in. They'll actually print out the graphics. So we have about a team of 8 that comes in to print out the graphics. We have some preppers for jewelry that come in as well. And then moving forward, we have a full production crew coming in at 8. So in just a couple hours from now, about 40 people total. So that will be super busy. That's when everything really starts to ramp up for the day. Production will get cruising. We'll have we get multiple mail runs. I forgot to tell you earlier, we're getting multiple mail runs. So we might get one earlier and then we'll get one about 2 o'clock. We're literally like filling up USPS's truck. So this year, luckily, last year was crazy. We had a trailer attached to a Ford Ranger and we were packing out this trailer with I think we were running 50 to 80 mail bags a day. So this year we got USPS coming out, which was super clutch to get because it's crazy trying to get that much mail to the post office ourselves. It was just ridiculous. It would take like an extra 2 hours a day. So they'll come here about 2 and then we'll finish out production by 4. So it should be pretty good. Has it been like 3/4 so far roughly of the names you have and then it just skips about a quarter? Is it jumping on you? Like there's one there and then there's not one.
It's not centered. Oh, and it's a back.
So we buy on ShipStation and we buy from our specific shop or specific platform and it's in order from when they came in, like earliest to latest. And so for like printers, they're going through, they got their labels here and then they're looking at their order page and they should line up directly. But when scenarios like that, they don't, it turns into a massive mess because they're not just able just to cruise through, boom, this order, this order, this order. It now turns into a bunch of orders that are just missing, a loss in the matrix, so. All right, so which one's which? And so I'm trying to just immediately get that moving.
This is the 16th.
Okay. First off, hopefully. Okay, 293, and there's how many? 50? Mm-hmm. These are the normal 16s? Mm-hmm. 290 times 50. What's 290 times 50? Okay, they have plenty. It's 14,000. So.
Just how fast we went through that, and we're now just heating up. So
yeah.
I don't understand.
So let's see. Yeah. So pretty much got the label issue solved. So that was good. We had everything way out of order. But luckily we were able to go back into one of our shipping things. We use ShipStation. We're able to basically go back through and reprint in the right order and got that all fixed. We had also some major things pop up this morning for our jewelry. We were way shorter on chain than expected, so we were able to get a couple orders expedited. So they'll be here in about a week. So hopefully it will connect together right. So we got that solved, and then everything's been rolling right now. Obviously still got a lot cranking, so we're a little bit buried, but we'll get there. So that's pretty much where we're at. Right now we're sitting at 1:15 p.m. And we are total sales right now, so not too shabby for midday. We should hang out at around double that by the end of day, so doing pretty good.
Yeah, anything that
How do you launch 15,000 products yourself in 1 year? And he was only getting 3 to 5 sales a day from all that work, and then he learned how to focus on products. He only has, I think 350 to 400 products now that he focused on for about 2 months, and he went from 3K to 100K.